In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a sheet in Smartsheet. To get started, open Smartsheet and sign in to your account. Once you're logged in, you'll be taken to your main workspace, where you can create and manage different sheets, reports, and projects. If you're new to Smartsheet, think of a sheet as a flexible workspace that works a lot like a spreadsheet, but with extra features that make collaboration and project tracking much easier. From the main screen, click Create or New, depending on the version of the interface you see. This is the starting point for building something from scratch or using one of Smartsheet's pre-built options. After that, choose Sheet. This tells Smartsheet that you want to make a standard sheet where you can organize rows and columns of information. Next, decide whether you want to start with a blank sheet or use a template. A blank sheet is a good option if you want full control over the layout and plan to build everything yourself. A template can save time if you're creating something common like a task tracker or project plan, because much of the structure is already prepared for you. Choose the option that best matches what you need. Once your sheet opens, begin adding the columns you want to use. Common columns include task, owner, date, status, and notes. These help you organize your information clearly and make the sheet easier to read later. For example, the task column can list the work that needs to be done. Owner can show who is responsible. Date can track deadlines. Status can show progress. And notes can hold extra details or updates. Try to name each column clearly so anyone viewing the sheet can understand it right away. After your columns are in place, start entering your data into the sheet. Add each task or item as a new row, then fill in the matching details across the columns. Take your time here because clear and consistent data entry makes the sheet much more useful. If you're tracking work, it helps to keep wording simple and dates consistent so everything is easy to scan. When you're finished, save your sheet. If other people need to view or update it, share the sheet with them using Smartsheet's sharing option. This makes collaboration much smoother and ensures everyone is working from the same information. And that's it. Your Smartsheet sheet is now ready to use.